Okay, she's out of the nest, or he, right there. And there's the nest, right out there. It's got a ton of feathers in it. There's a mama. There's a proud mama, huh? And daddy. Okay, Goosey nest is out on that branch. That branch right there. And over here across into this ditch. It's like an egg. So, pretty sure it's a goose egg. Came and stole all the eggs. Poor goosey goose.